How to order on Yelp. For this, you have to create an account or log into your Yelp account if you already have one. You can log in via your Facebook or create an account or even log in via your Google. Now once you are logged in into your Yelp, at the top you will see the search bar option. You can go ahead and search for the restaurant, food items, groceries that you are looking for. In the next tab, go ahead and add your location so that it can display according to your location. Now in the search bar, you have to tap on it and you can see some of the preference right here. Just go ahead and select from here. You can also add a reservation by tapping on the reservation icon and selecting a restaurant, time, date, and all for reservation. You will also have to pay a certain amount to reserve your seat. But if you want to order up from this application or web page, go ahead and select restaurant, bars, food, or more. Then select the restaurant that is preferable to you. Once you tap on this restaurant icon, select the food item that it serves that intrigue you to try. Then go ahead and select the cart icon to check on your orders. You can add more orders to you. If not, go ahead and tap on checkout. Pay according to your payment method that is preferable to you and make sure to enter a correct delivery address so that it will not miss your doorstep. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.